Every large company is pouring money into AI right now, and the competitive advantage they're gaining is real. What nobody's telling you is that the exact same tools are available to you for $20 a month, and most small business owners aren't using them. That's an opening. Here's how to take it. This isn't a product demo. I'm not going to tell you AI is magic. What I'm going to show you is 8 specific workflows: email, writing, customer support, research, bookkeeping, social media, proposals, and operations, where AI is saving small business owners real hours every week. Not hypothetical, not enterprise. Actual small businesses. Every AI article you've read was written for a tech company. It assumes you have an engineering team, a data science budget, and the time to run experiments. You have none of that. You have customers to call back, invoices to chase, and a business to run. The gap between that reality and most AI advice is enormous. This is for you. When it comes to AI for your business, 2 things actually matter. Does it save you time? Does it make you money? Everything else is noise. You don't need AI to transform your business model. You need it to write the email you've been putting off for 2 days and to get your proposal out the door in an hour instead of 3. Studies consistently show that small business owners who actively use AI for administrative tasks save more than 10 hours per week. That's more than 1 full working day reclaimed. Not from one big automation project, from a dozen small ones that individually take minutes to set up. Workflow 1, customer emails. This is the one every business should start with because every business has them and most people hate writing them. Open Claude or ChatGPT. Paste in a customer email you received. Tell the AI your tone, your situation, and what you want to say. It writes a draft. You edit and send. Most people get this down to under 2 minutes per email within a week. Workflow 2, writing everything else. Proposals, product descriptions, job postings, social media captions, newsletter sections. Every piece of writing that used to take you an hour now takes 15 minutes because AI writes a solid first draft and you refine it. You still bring the judgment, the voice, the specific details. The AI does the blank page problem for you. Workflow 3, customer FAQ and support. Document your 20 most common customer questions and your answers. Feed that to an AI. Now you can paste any customer question and get a response that sounds like you in under 30 seconds. For businesses with high support volume, this alone is worth the subscription. The average ChatGPT or Claude subscription costs between $20 and $30 a month. A part-time virtual assistant starts at $500. One freelance copywriter costs more per project than an entire year of AI subscriptions. The economics of AI for small business are genuinely remarkable, and most owners haven't done the math. Workflow 4, bookkeeping summaries. You don't need AI to replace your accountant, but you can paste your monthly transaction list into Claude and ask for a plain English summary of where your money went, what looks unusual, and what categories are trending up. It takes 3 minutes and gives you financial clarity faster than any spreadsheet. Workflow 5, social media content. The average small business owner spends 3 to 5 hours a week on social media content creation. With AI, you can write a week's worth of posts in 20 minutes. More importantly, you can take one piece of content, a blog post, a case study, a customer story, and ask AI to turn it into 5 different posts for 5 different platforms. That's leverage. Workflow 6, proposals and quotes. If you write custom proposals, AI is your best hire. Feed it your last 3 proposals as context. Describe the new job. It drafts a professional proposal in minutes. You add the specific numbers, edit the tone, and send. Clients notice the quality. The time it takes you drops by 70%. Surveys in 2026 suggest fewer than 1 in 4 small businesses actively use AI in their daily operations. That's a meaningful gap. The businesses on the using side are faster, cheaper to operate, and producing more output than before. The gap between those 2 groups is widening every quarter. Workflow 7, research. What are your competitors charging? What do customers in your market care about? What suppliers exist that you haven't found yet? AI is a tireless research assistant. Ask it to analyze your market, compare your pricing to what's publicly visible, and identify trends in your industry. It dramatically reduces the time it takes to get oriented. Workflow 8. Standard operating procedures and onboarding. If you've ever hired someone and watched them make the same avoidable mistakes for 3 weeks, you understand the value of documented processes. Describe a workflow to Claude the way you'd explain it to a new hire. It writes a clear, formatted SOP you can hand to anyone. Systems that used to live only in your head now live in a document. On tools, start with one general-purpose model. Claude and ChatGPT are the two strongest options for most small business tasks. Both have free tiers. Both have paid subscriptions around $20. Don't try to build a custom integration. Don't automate your whole business. Open the chat. Type your problem. See what it gives you. The learning curve is genuinely one day. If you value your time at even $50 an hour, which is low for most business owners, 10 hours per week of AI-assisted time savings is worth $2,000 a month. The subscription costs $30. The return on investment math is not subtle. The only question is whether you'll put in the initial effort to build the habits. Here's what AI can't do for your business. It can't build the relationships with customers that make them loyal. It can't make judgment calls when something goes wrong. It can't be the face of your business, and it can't replace the trust you've built over years. These are your advantages. AI handles the administrative burden so you can focus on the things only you can do. The biggest mistake I see small business owners make with AI is trying to automate too much at once. They research 15 tools, set up integrations, and spend a weekend building a system that breaks the following week. The businesses that get lasting value from AI do it incrementally. One workflow, make it solid, then add another. The mental model that works. Think of AI as a very capable junior employee who is available 24 hours a day, never complains, produces a solid first draft of anything, and gets better the more context you give them. They don't make final decisions. They don't talk to your customers. But they do 90% of the groundwork so that when you step in, you're editing and approving rather than starting from scratch. Most business owners who commit to trying AI for their most time-consuming admin task see clear, measurable time savings within their first week of consistent use. Not after a month of optimization. Week 1. The activation energy is lower than almost any other operational investment you'll make this year. Where to start? Don't ask yourself, how can I use AI across my business? That's too big. Ask yourself, what's the single most time-consuming thing I do that doesn't require my specific relationships or expertise? That's your starting point. For most owners, it's email. For some, it's proposals or content. Whatever it is, do that one thing first. The competitive reality is straightforward. The businesses in your market that are using AI right now are producing more, spending less on administrative overhead, and responding to customers faster. That gap compounds. In 2 years, the difference between an AI-assisted operation and a manual one will be larger than it is today. This isn't a trend you can wait out. The cost argument is almost insultingly simple. $20 to $50 a month for a general-purpose AI model. If you use it for one thing, one workflow, one recurring task, you'll save more hours than it costs in money. And the ceiling is much higher. Most owners who stick with it find 10 to 15 hours a week of impact within 60 days. If you want to know the single workflow to start with, it's customer emails. Every business has them. They're time-consuming, repetitive in structure but variable in content, and the quality of your responses directly affects customer relationships. This is exactly the kind of task AI handles well. Start there. Get comfortable. Everything else follows. Here's what to do this week. Open Claude.ai or ChatGPT. No account? Create one. The free tier is fine to start. Find the last 5 customer emails you wrote. Paste one in. Tell the AI what you were trying to say and what outcome you wanted. Read what it gives you. Edit it to your voice. Send it. Repeat 3 times. By the end of the week, you'll have a process. The honest take, AI is not going to run your business. It's not magic. There will be bad outputs and things you have to rewrite. But the aggregate effect of using it consistently, the hours back, the output quality, the speed at which you can operate, is the most significant productivity shift available to small businesses right now. The owners who figure this out first are going to be very hard to compete with. New AI lesson every day. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next.